crypto exchange for you this year. Now, let me tell you, like right now, 2023 is going on. I'm not going to tell you about each and every exchange that is out there in the market. Why? Because, see, there are countless 20, 30 exchanges, hundreds of exchanges that people can talk about. I'm going to talk about the top two. Why the top two is because, see, my subscribers or the people who are watching this video are going to put their hard-earned money onto the exchanges, and I do not want them to risk at an exchange which you cannot keep $1 million on. Let's say somebody is putting $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. I mean, it's a big sum of money for anybody out there, and the potential of that $5,000 becoming $1 million in the bull run is also significantly high. That's why we are in the crypto market. So if you cannot safely put $1 million into an exchange, I do not want to even talk about those exchanges. So that is why I've reduced down to only top two exchanges, and the Binance and the Bybit. And I'm going to show you the comparison between the two. So let's start with it. First and the foremost parameter I would like to compare is the fee structure. If you try to see the fee structure, almost the maker fee and the taker fee, 0.1% and 0.1%, which is approximately 0.2% it makes for the spot trading. Spot trading is, let's say you're purchasing a Bitcoin, normal Bitcoin you're purchasing without any futures, without any leverage, right? That is how you will be charged 0.2% with every buy and with every sell, like overall with a buy and the sell. And the futures trading, as you can see, I mean, I'm removing the discount. Like this is like if you're holding the BNB, then you'll be getting the discount. But ideally, let's remove that discount part. The futures trading, if you're doing the leverage trading, it is approximately, as you can see, 0.06%, right? Now, if you try to compare that, the same thing with the Bybit, for the spot trading, again, the non-VIP is the ideal one. It is almost same, 0.2%. And then for the futures trading, it is almost 0.07%, so slightly more than that. So almost they both are on the similar lines if you try to compare the Bybit and the Binance. Let us compare the next parameter, and that is the size. Size means like amount of assets that Binance has and the amount of assets that the Bybit has. The amount of assets that the Binance has is $64 billion. This is on the DeFi Llama, where all these metrics can be known, the amount of money locked, the value stored. For the Bybit, it's $3.5 billion. So obviously it is almost like 15 to 20 times bigger the Binance exchange. Now, why does something like this matter? Something like this does matter because if an exchange is as big as that, let's say in the worst case scenario, somebody hacks $500 million or $1 billion. If an exchange is this big, then definitely the chances of it trying to make everything normal, like your money is secure. The bigger the exchange, the tougher it is to fall, and that is how the money is safe. For example, the FTX exchange, obviously it was nowhere close to Binance. When it collapsed, despite the fact that the CEO was doing some mal trading and like doing the fraud things, but even the size is also one of the issue. People can afford to do that sort of a cheating. An exchange as big as this, like why would somebody bother $500 million here and there, or $10 million, $50 million? They would want to ensure that their exchange remains intact. Then the security is like what happens in case of anything goes wrong, some hackers come in, or how safe is your money when you're depositing. So previously Bybit does not have any security incident. The Binance has had a security incident of $40 million stolen from the Binance. But here's the good news. This security incident has got the stress test done onto the Binance that even in case of this kind of a hack, the user's fund will be secured. Binance is going to fulfill the funds from their behalf. Let me tell you, a lot of small exchanges, when they will be hacking some sort of problem, some sort of recession, some sort of crisis, right? They are going to just leave it like that. Why? Because they do not have any funds to give it back to their consumers. So exchange as big as Binance and with a previous record of being stress tested, and apart from that, I also believe the hacking did happen. Why? Because the hackers would want to steal from the place where there is a big sum of money. So obviously there is a big trial going on onto the Binance, but definitely the Binance has been safe so far, as well as they have proven that they are going to be taking the investors' money's security priority about anything else. Now guys, if you want to sign up to either of the exchanges, I would like you to get a discount, and this discount is a lifetime discount. So all you have to do is, like, this is our link, just type in the browser abdullahzahid.com/Binance, you'll be directed to the link. And if you want to sign up to the Bybit, just type in abdullahzahid.com/Bybit. Both the cases you'll be getting a discount and extra bonuses. And let me tell you, with the Binance, you'll be even qualified to win one full Bitcoin. We'll be doing the lucky draw and you might be qualified to win that one full Bitcoin. So now let's try to see the 24 hours volume. So the Bybit offer the derivatives trading on more than 100 token pairs. The average 24-hour trading volume is around $10.5 billion. The derivatives trading services are the platform's USP, and thus it can be seen a phenomenal trading volume. At the same time, the Binance share in derivatives trading volume is also much more significant. It offers 200 token pairs and a volume trading volume 24 hours is $50 billion approximately. Bybit has 10 million users. Binance has 29 million users. Finally, Bybit does not need KYC for up to this much withdrawal. Binance always needs the KYC. I believe KYC is a good thing, guys, because see, we are putting a hard-earned money. We want it to be a verified exchange. We want to be an accountable exchange. We want an exchange where the faces are known so that they anonymously do not just run away. Now, in our understanding, all in all, I would say the Binance is a winner because Bybit also offers a great feature, but I'll repeat the point that I just mentioned a while back. I would want to put a stress test onto the exchange that I'm putting my hard-earned money on. Why? Because am I comfortable putting $1 million onto an exchange? Is the exchange worth it? So definitely Binance would be the only exchange. This is like the Bitcoin of the entire crypto market. So amongst all the other exchanges you might have heard of, like KuCoin, XYZ, right? CoinW, OKX, you name it. Binance is number one. And again, I'll repeat, you want to have a lifetime discount for the Binance, you can use our link, abdullahzahid.com/Binance. And apart from that, qualify to win one full Bitcoin. So these are the features, guys, differences I wanted to show up. I would not go much into detail to increase the confusion. This is enough information for all of us to know and understand and to decide which crypto exchange would we want to go. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Thanks a lot, and I'll see all of you guys in the next